Hey Google, what time is it?
3:01.
Hey Google, volume up. Hey Google, play world instrumental music.
Check out this world instrumental music station on YouTube.
Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, how's my day?
Good afternoon, Larry. It is 3:02 p.m. Right now in Seattle it's 42 and partly cloudy. Today it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 42 and a low of 32. Have a wonderful day. Here's the latest news from Gadgets and Tech Spoken Edition at 1:31 p.m. today.
Here's today's spoken edition of Gizmodo.
New Year's Day will likely be the coldest in decades in eastern U.S. by Tom McKay. 2017, a dumb and stupid year, which even the Pope agrees was pretty miserable.